Hi guys, welcome to the weekly mentoring video for Monday, December 21st, 2020. It's almost Christmas time and almost end of the year. Fantastic 2020. We all gonna remember it as the most beautiful and amazing year ever. So, and in terms of trading, we had a pretty good year. It was not so great. Obviously, there were some crashes. The market was super volatile and so on, but we still made money this year. And I'm going to use this video to actually summarize the trading for this year, and we can look at the current portfolio. Before we go, of course, and do that, I want to mention that this video is for informational, educational purposes only. So if you agree with that, okay, we can move on, and we're going to move on to the agenda for today, which is not so much. I'm just going to talk about, we're going to do the usual. We'll do the portfolio management, but mostly we will do the 2020 summary. We're ending up this year with around 29% of return on investment. We were actually reaching the levels of 40%, but this was smashed by the recent losses and unusual movement of the market, because of all this stuff, we have a lot of volatility, lots of unexpected situations happen, lots of jumps up and jumps down in price, and lots of fear in the eyes of the people and on the markets. Trading is very, very different to what it was in 2019, so we had to adjust a little bit for the new environment. It's kind of new for me, but still making this kind of profit, it's fantastic. So you see this, we still have the positions, so we need them to expire to be fully understanding our return on investment. But I was talking 29% because we started with an account of $100,000, and overall year to date we are 29K up, which is 29% return on investment still since April. Portfolio today is not doing that great. I have one position which was closed. This was the futures contract which I was trading bullishly, and it made money. We basically, I don't know exactly what would have to go to the trades to see how much this one made, but it closed out on my trailing stop. Okay, so this was actually bringing us cash, and the rest of the positions we can just go one by one and look what's going on. So I will start with Apple, and we're looking at short put spread. It has some time in it, but we are in a relatively safe area here with Apple. Let the time run, and it's showing us a little loss, but we are in the win zone, so potential win $200. Right now not, because everything is dropping down. Apple dropped $2.4 today, and it continues going down. If we look at the chart, okay, it's dropping with the market. It basically reflects what market is doing. But we have, how many days do we have in Apple? 25 days, so a month. I think we're still in safe area, kind of like Apple would stay around 120 and so on. I would start worrying when this gray area of the one standard deviation goes below our break-even point. So if I bring these slices to charts, so break-even in January, set slices to the chart, well, Apple would need to come closer to this zone to actually cause some pain for us, but it has like very hard and strong support zone here at 120. There is 50-day moving average, 118. And when it continues, then I'm gonna start worrying and maybe manage this position. But right now I don't have to do much, okay? So I just let the time run and bring us to the win on this position. So not worried yet, however cautious, okay? Gold AU is up today, and a little bit, okay? So our chart was looking really bad. Now we're actually going towards, we're having very strong theta. As you can see, we need to go from like $800 of loss at this point right now to 400, so 400 potential to go up. I want to own this stock actually, AU. I did some analysis of this, and it's gold mining company. We have 200 shares. I wanted to own 800 more at 21, but it reversed. Okay, so this probably is gonna expire in 25 days worthless. Would be nice if it didn't. And then I sold 27 calls on these shares, so just to have a positive cash flow of $18 per day. Okay, this is cool position. Today we are winning a little bit. Overall it shows this little loss of $800. We are $800 short, but we're going towards 400 if we stay in this same area for a while, and I'm gonna continue selling puts and calls.